Hello again. Today is March 21 and this is a video diary again. Some thoughts in my head right now, no? Like, ooh, ano kayang gagawin ko if yung tatay ko hindi supportive sa mga gusto ko, but at the same time, nakikita ko na I'm, like, unnecessary na naman yung nasa isip ko. Like, dahil nagustuhan ko lang yung isang bagay, I'll just be curious, then all of a sudden, madidisappoint ako. Or, need ko talaga patunayan na I have to be accountable sa mga choices ko and actions ko para makita rin ng iba or kaya mapatunayan ko sa sarili ko pero at the same time ayoko magpatunayan sa sarili ko and ako pala I'm gonna let myself down, no? Mm, like eh this is me na wala pang kain, konti lang naman and pawisin and then I've been trying to figure out yung plano ko for the week because I'm on a shit. Like parang I have to really focus for myself. And I'm really happy that I'm doing this and I would say safe space pero like life is shit, no? Life is tough. Gonna be dapat laban lang. Experience, kumbaga. Pero at the same time, nasa comfort zone pa rin ako. Like, dito pa rin ako sa comfort zone ko. Parang ganun. And, ang daming tao, talagang hinihintay ako bumagsak. Ang daming tao na naniniwala sa akin. Pero kung wala talaga akong tiwala sa sarili ko, wala rin. Wala rin, di ba? And I'm just, tired. Pero, I'm happy. Or kaya, I would say na, it's part of the process. Like, I'm very grateful na may nanay ako who supports me, pero disadvantage nun, hindi tawag na parang hindi balance. At the same time, grateful ako na may tatay ako, pero hindi ko nararamdaman yung yung love niya or yung support niya. Pero gusto niya rin din talaga ako na talagang ibugbog. Kasi, alam mo yun, like, anak niya ako eh. Pero, wala siyang sense of foundation or of sense of wala sa amin nun. That's that's a fact. Wala siya sa he didn't grow up yung growth namin as kids in childhood. So parang iba, ibang iba, no? So yes. And iba I would say na uh try ayun like I don't have the ayoko lang isipin pero naka-apektuhan sa I don't want to think about it but it affects me sa growth ko and the way I see it, Naljin, no? You're very aware talaga. Sobrang aware mo, but sobrang aware mo, no? Sobrang aware mo bilang student, bilang tao pala, student. And ang you're 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 going to be happy. Not yun, hindi ka pa nga nag-pray eh. 'Di ba? Hindi ka pa nag-pray kay Lord na Lord, ano bang gagawin ko? 'Di ba? Ano ba yung gusto mo para sa akin? Ano yung calling mo sa akin, Lord? 'Di ba? Pinili ko to, gagawin ko to, pero paano? What are the certain steps na, kumbaga, not to really, wow, my mind is very ah pero yun nga, I have to focus, I have to plan, think ahead talaga. I have to keep myself busy. Busy hands, blessing hands. Ayun. And then I guess this is this is this is my journey, this is my process. And I may not like I may na, I may not like the process or the end game, pero at the same time, no, like I have to really focus and keep myself from distractions and such. And kumbaga, masaya ako, nasaktan ako, pero at the same time na parang, buh! Magulo. Magulo lang utak ko. Ayun lang naman. Again, Naljin, I'm gonna say this. Again, Naljin, I love you. You are healthy. You are loved. You are. You have a face. You matter. You are fearfully and wonderfully made by God. You gotta dig deep, be firm, kasi you're very sad. Pero what's there to be sad about? Life is good. Life is meaningful. You just have to find what works for you. Thank you again, guys, for listening. This is my video diary, March 21, 2025, bro. And random thoughts, random shit. Again, much love, peace.